The Oraimo Stick Vacuum, a game-changer in the world of cleaning appliances, with its cordless design, self-standing feature, impressive runtime, and versatile functionality. The Oraimo Stick Vacuum offers a convenient and efficient solution for maintaining various floor surfaces. In this article, we will delve into the features and benefits of the Oraimo Stick Vacuum and explore how it enhances your cleaning experience. Cordless convenience and self-standing design. The Oraimo Stick Vacuum boasts a cordless design, providing you with unrestricted movement and eliminating the hassle of tangled cords. Say goodbye to searching for power outlets or dragging a heavy vacuum cleaner around the house. With the Oraimo Stick Vacuum, you can effortlessly maneuver through rooms, reaching every nook and cranny with ease. Moreover, its self-standing feature allows the vacuum to remain upright on its own, eliminating the need for wall-mounted storage or propping it against furniture. Impressive runtime and detachable battery. Equipped with a high-capacity, detachable battery, the Oraimo Stick Vacuum provides an impressive runtime of up to 35 minutes on a single charge. This generous battery life ensures that you can clean multiple rooms or tackle larger areas without interruption. Additionally, the detachable battery design allows for easy replacement or upgrading, extending the lifespan and functionality of the vacuum cleaner. Versatile cleaning capabilities. The Oraimo Stick Vacuum is a true multitasker, offering 6-in-1 functionality to meet all your cleaning needs. It effortlessly transitions between different floor surfaces, including hardwood floors, carpets, marble, and tiles. Whether you're dealing with fine dust, pet hair, or larger debris, the vacuum's powerful suction and brush roll is up to the task. The versatile LED lights integrated into the vacuum's head illuminate dark corners and under furniture, ensuring a thorough cleaning in all areas of your home. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.